Don't enter my front, so.
Sir, you were expecting that you had expected that the Supreme Court actually go with the Court of Appeal today, but the court took different direction. So how do you react to this?
Well, the Supreme Court knows better. The Supreme Court is the Supreme Court. What the Supreme Court says represents the law. We respect it. We go by it. There is no other way. We had hoped that it would come our way, but it has gone the other way. It simply means that we have to go back to the High Court and get done with this quickly. We still have hope. We are not in despair.
By the grace of God,
yes, so
victory is assured.
Yes, we
at the
will.
end of the day.
We will lose a little time. We still have to go back. That's all it means. But I'm very consoled by what the Supreme Court said, that he ought not to have been treated the way he was treated. His bail ought not to have been revoked. His home ought to have been invaded. All that is a consolation to us. So we have hope. Thank you very much.
My name is D.E. Caswell.
Okay, and counsel to, or who are you representing, please?
I am counsel to the appellant, which is the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
I'd like you to react to the judgment of the
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay. As you have all observed what happened today at the Supreme Court, if you ask me, I would say this is victory to administration of criminal justice, because it shows that once you are an accused person, once you are a defendant, no matter what excuse you want to bring to hide under the law to say that you should not be tried, the Supreme Court have expressly, unequivocally stated clearly that we don't have the legislation that will vitiate the court from trying a defendant that has committed a crime. You must be tried for every offense you have committed.
Exactly, sir. But does this not embolden the security agencies? Because now the court has said that, irrespective of the fact that it was extraordinary rendition, that does not subject the trial to illegality. Does it mean that the security agencies will, moving forward, can do what they like and believe that civil procedures can be filed against them?
No, I think that's not the point that the court made. You saw that the court came very heavy on the security agencies, where they have, in any way, impaired on the rights, the fundamental rights of the defendant. However, our laws have made very clear provision for remedy. Where there's such infraction on the right of the defendant, then you can such a defendant can go to the civil court and then seek for civil remedies for the violation of his fundamental rights. And that is why, of course, we have the fundamental rights enforcement, for which the defendant, the respondent, which is the defendant in this case, have actually activated. And you are aware that he has gone to the civil court and he has gotten some judgments, which is still subject of appeal, as to whether or not his fundamental rights have actually been infracted or infringed upon.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.